Today we'll learn about like and as. Like is used with noun or pronoun, and as is used with noun plus verb or pronoun plus verb. The first one is she eats a bird. So bird is noun. So what she eats? She eats like a bird. The next one is she eats dash a bird eats. So here you see this is noun and this is verb. So here is noun plus verb. So noun plus verb comes under as. The next one is she sings dash an angel. So you see here is angel. Angel is noun. So it will be like. The next one is he behaves dash a child. So child is noun. So like a child. She cooks dash her mother. So mother is pronoun. So it will be pronoun comes under like. The next one is I must speak dash he does. So as he does. So this is pronoun plus verb. So it will be as. She acting a silly clown. So clown is noun. So it will be she acting stop acting like a silly clown. The next one is I will do it dash you said. You is pronoun. Said is noun. So pronoun plus verb. So pronoun plus verb we know as is pronoun plus verb comes under as. So the next one is we talk dash they talk. So they and talk. These two are pronoun plus verb. So it will be as. We talk dash them. This is only pronoun. So only pronoun comes under like. The next one is last one is for you. Do and comment. So if you liked my videos, please do subscribe my channel.